Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to log in with Facebook and Clash of Clans, or this feature is available in Clash of Clans. So the first thing that you need to know is that the Facebook connectivity to Clash of Clans is not yet available as of the moment, but we have an alternative way in order to keep your account so we can connect it using the Supercell. So first, just click on the gear icon or the settings and then click on the connected option at the top. So basically this one right here. So you can see different options right here, including the Supercell ID. So we just click on the connected option. And here we asked to enter your email address, and after that an email will be sent to the email that you have used in the section, and then you just have to type out here the verification code so you can proceed to the next step. And after that, you can go ahead and click on the connected, and you can see here is Supercell ID. And when you go ahead and then click on this icon right here, you would be able to see the settings where you can share your link to your profile. So when you click on that, you'd be able to see the different options right here. So just click on the Facebook option. Okay, so this one, and it'll be redirected to your account. And after that, you can now click on the post option at the top right side corner of your screen, and you'd be able to type out also your caption. Now let's go back right here. So as of the moment, that is the only thing that you can do in order to connect your Clash of Clans account to your Facebook account or to your email. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.